So now we are going to work on the geometry consideration. How to reduce the geometry so that we can increase the mesh. We can refine the mesh size and get better results. So file, open. So we will create new one and geometry to this thing, engineering data to this thing, added geometry in its space claim. Yeah, so this space claim is like 3D modeling application. Here there will be no sketch kind of thing, so we can directly modify and edit 3D CAD model whatever we are going to import. So this is advanced feature. We can see advanced 3D CAD modeling software for editing, cleaning the geometry. So what we can do, if I show you, see, if you want to remove this one, click here, delete, or Control Z. If you want to put some flat or curve kind of thing here, flat. So what we can do, we have to select this one. We can do like this one. So here what we will do, we will split this whole assembly in one. We will cut this assembly in two parts, and other one we will delete, so that size of the assembly will reduce, and we will take as a symmetry. So result we can get, and mesh we can also refine there. So this is if you press H, this is the home position. H for home position. If you do not like this home position, you just first place the model whatever home position you want, and go here, set as home view. So whenever you press H, it will come to like this. So what we have to do, first plane. So now we have to go to design and put a split body, and select the whole body. Now select a plane, this one. Okay, now hide this body, this one, this one, this one. So we have hidden. Press escape. So this bolt nut have been patterned, so we cannot delete this one. So what we have to do, we have to right click and suppress for physics and hide all suppressed. This one. Okay. We have hidden all the other things. And okay, we are going to hide these planes. So now what we are going to do, we are going to uh, split that bearing area of this washer. So that will help us during mechanical model, during analysis, providing bolt connection, other things. So what we are doing here. So split, press here, then click on this one, click on this one. Now it has been split. So we will hide. What we will do, suppress for physics, suppress for physics, suppress for physics, suppress for physics, and last one we will suppress this nut only. Hide all suppressed. So you can see now this area has been separated like bearing kind of thing. Wear area. Downside also you can see. Yeah. So go to prepare and extract. So you can see it is showing fill to extract to beam because there was not was that head was there, that's why it is not showing. So we have selected cylindrical part here. So what we can see here. So we have seen that radius is 0.106 inch. So same we have to keep for this, edit beam profile, and if we click and this is 0.213. So we have moved to here, and we are going to put share topology. So it will help during meshing. It will share some nodes. Go to model. So here what we are going to do, insert symmetry region. So here we are going to select face about which it is going to be symmetric the whole body. Press control this one. So here apply, and this is symmetry normal x-axis. So this is x-axis. Okay, now this model is prepared. So next we will do meshing in the next tutorial. Thank you.